photosynthesis in dark reactions. Earlier we studied photosynthesis in light reactions. The photosynthesis dark reactions, that is Calvin cycles. That is Calvin cycle. Calvin cycle. It is also called as biosynthetic phase. Biosynthetic phase. Biosynthetic phase. And C3 cycles. C3 cycle. In the meaning of dark reactions, the fixation of carbon dioxides into glucose. Here CO2 undergo reductions. CO2 undergo reactions. Earlier in the light reaction, we studied about the assimilatory powers. Assimilatory power which produce in the light reactions. Assimilatory power क्या है? Assimilatory power is the ATP, NADPH plus H. Here ATP is the energy source, and NADPH is the reducing agent. Reducing agents. In most of the plants on the earth, CO2 fixations is done only the C3 plants, which called as Calvin cycles. Calvin cycles, C3 plants which fix the carbon dioxides. Calvin cycles. But later on, some other plants modified the C3 plants like C4 plants and CAM plants. C4 plants modified the C3 plants. In the anatomical structure of C4 plant, there is the presence of bundle seeds. In bundle seeds, rich of chloroplast is present, which fix the CO2 fixation and production of glucose molecules. But in CAM plants क्या करते हैं? इन्होंने क्या किया? It change the time. Open the stomata during the night. That stomata is called as the scotoactive stomata. Now in cannabis plants, CO2 fixation by the substrate RUBP, that is the ribulose biphosphate. It is the 5 carbon sugar. This when it's attached with the CO2 in the presence of enzymes Rubisco. Rubisco is the ribulose bisphosphate carbulose, carboxylase and oxygen. This CO is a very important for the fixation of carbon dioxide. This CO2 comes from the atmosphere's stomata. Now this when the concentration of CO2 is much, what happen? This CO2 combined with ribulose bisphosphate, the formation of product phosphoglyceric acids. Phosphoglyceric acids. It is a 3 carbon compound and 2 molecules. And photosynthesis continue. Continue. But sometimes it happens the concentration of oxygens is much high in respective to carbon dioxides. There is a production of 2 carbon compound, that is the phosphoglycolic acids. Phosphoglycolic acids. It is also called as photorespirations. This process is called as the Warburg effects. It is called as the Warburg effect. इस पूरे प्रोसेस को हम कहते हैं Warburg effect. The production of photorespiration is duly wasteful products because in the process the productions of assimilatory power during the light reactions it completely consumes and no productions is formations. And second thing, in photorespirations the process of photosynthesis is stops. Now we discuss about the chain system of Calvin cycles. Calvin cycles complete in 3 steps. Number 1, carboxylations. Number 2, reduction. Number 3 आपका है regeneration of RUBP, ribulose bisphosphate, and fourth one is the formation of hexose sugars. The first one is the carboxylations, second is the reductions, and third is the regeneration of RUBP, and fourth one is the formation of hexose sugar, that is the glucose sugars. ठीक है. Now we discuss about in 4 steps one by one in the Calvin cycles. It also called as the C3 cycles. Earlier we discussed about this. This is the C3 cycles. Why we called as the Calvin cycle is the C3 cycles? Because in the C3 cycle the first stable product is the 3 carbon compounds. Now Here the ribulose bisphosphate is the substrate. Ribulose bisphosphate, ribulose bisphosphate, phosphate. It is a 5-carbon compound. 5-carbon compound. The CO2 comes from the stomata. CO2 in the presence of enzyme Rubisco. In the presence of enzyme Rubisco, ribulose bisphosphate, carboxylase, and oxygens. It undergo the formation of the first stable product phosphoglyceric acids. Phosphoglyceric acids. It is a 3-carbon compounds and 2 molecules. 2 molecules. We know that when conversion of acid into aldehydes, it undergo reductions. Now, these phosphoglyceric acids convert into the 1,3-bisphosphoglyceric acids. Glyceric acids, 2 molecule of ATP and formation of 2 molecule of ADP. Here the phosphorylations, the formations of additions of 1 phosphor group 3-phosphoglyceric acids. Now this 1,3-bisphosphoglyceric acid undergo reductions by the presence of enzymes NADPH, reducing enzymes H plus H, the formations of NADP plus, and liberation of simultaneously 1 inorganic phosphates. This process, the first process, is called as the carboxylations. Carboxylation किसका? Ribulose bisphosphate का carboxylations. And this 1,3-bisphosphoglyceric acid convert into the 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde. 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde, 2 molecules. This is the 3-carbon compound. It is also called as triose phosphate. Now 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde, it helps in the regeneration of RUBP. RUBP को रीजनरेट करने के लिए हमें कितना कार्बन का जरूरत होता है? 5 कार्बन का। और यहाँ पे जो 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde कितने 2 मोलिक्यूल 6 कार्बन कंपाउंड है। तो यहाँ पे 1 कार्बन इट गोस इनटू द फॉर्मेशंस ऑफ ग्लूकोज। इट इज द 1/6 मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ 1/6 ड्यूरिंग द, यदि हम बात करें इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ ग्लाइकोलिसिस, आपने देखा होगा कि देयर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde एंड डाइहाइड्रोक्सी एसीटोन फॉस्फेट्स। हम उसको ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसेस ऑफ ग्लाइकोलिसिस we move toward the pyruvic acids, but here during the 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde we reverse the process and formations of glucose molecules. This reversal process is called as the glycolytic ग्लाइकोलिटिक रिवर्सल, ग्लाइकोलिटिक रिवर्सल, ग्लाइकोलिटिक रिवर्सल्स, जो यहाँ पे 1 CO2 मॉलिक्यूल का यूज हुआ है, 1 CO2, और रिमेनिंग जो 5 कार्बन है दे हेल्प इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ राइबोलोज विथ फॉस्फेट। मीनवाइल कि हम ये चाहते हैं कि भी आरयूपी की कंसेंट्रेशन हमारी मेंटेन रहे, तो CO2 की कंसेंट्रेशन भी हमारी मेंटेन रहेगी, जो कि फर्स्ट जो प्रोडक्ट है दैट इज द फॉस्फोग्लिसरिक एसिड, दैट इज अ 3 कार्बन कंपाउंड। इस दिस प्रोसेस हेयर इट इज कॉल्ड एज द reductions, and that is the process of formations of glucose molecules. It is the 1/6, but हम जानते हैं कि कार्बोहाइड्रेट के अंदर C6H12O6 6 कार्बन का रिक्वायरमेंट है, बट हमारे पास तो यहाँ पे 1 कार्बन है, तो इट मीन्स कि हमें हर प्रोसेस को 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा। तो 6 कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, यहाँ पे क्या है कि 1 मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गिव राइज टू द 3 कार्बन कंपाउंड फॉस्फोग्लिसरिक एसिड्स एंड बाय द यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ 2 ATP। Here now multiply with the 6, there is a 12 ATP, 6 CO2, 12 ATP, 12 ADP, and 12 molecules this, 12 molecules this, and here is the ATP give rise to the ADP, 6 molecule of ATP and 6 molecule of ADP. Now it complete the cycles, the formations of glucose molecules. Now how much total ATP used? Total is the 12 and 6 18 ATP molecules in 1 terms of C3 cycles. 1 terms of C3 cycles give rise to the 18 ATP molecules, the formation of 18 ADP molecules, and 12 NADPH plus H give rise to the 12 NADP plus. This is the regarding of C3 cycle, and this is the regarding of fixation of CO2 and the formations of 6 carbon molecule glucose molecule. In later we discuss about the C4 cycles.